burnt cheesecake. Ingredients: cream cheese, eggs, cream, sugar, flour, and vanilla extract. So the first step in our cheesecake extravaganza is you want to take a spring-form cake pan, which basically just means it has a spring. So I already forgot an ingredient, and it's butter. But it's not really an ingredient, it's more of a tool. We're gonna wash our hands. Preheat your oven to 400. I put mine on 405 because my oven sucks. And then you put a rack in the middle of your oven. Grease up the pan. Yeah, get into it. Get that parchment paper. You want quite a lot of overhang. And like I said, it's gonna be all crunchy. It's gonna be a little crumbly. This ain't your grandma's cake. It's like your second piece. Yes, sir. Alright, so it's looking pretty ugly. It actually turns out I don't have enough cream cheese. So we gotta go to the store. Looking very stylish. Guys, we got the cream cheese. Now we put the cream cheese into the stand mixer. 2 pounds of cream cheese and 1.5 cups of sugar. So we're gonna beat that. Try not to make a mess for like 2 minutes. Alright, now that your cream cheese and sugar mixture looks like that, which is like after like 2 minutes of beating it, you're gonna crack in eggs. 6 eggs, 15 seconds apart. Now we reduce to low, medium-low speed, and we add the cream, vanilla, and salt. Wow. Okay, so we added the salt and the vanilla too. 1/3 cup of flour. Now we've done our flour, I'm gonna take our gargantuan bowl and we're gonna pour it into that cake thing we had prepared earlier. Bake for 60 minutes. The cheesecake is out of the oven, and it looks like that. And so you want it to be burnt. I don't know if I said, but you cook it for about an hour, you bake it for an hour, and it is supposed to be burnt. That is the whole point. So if you have a super brown top like that, that's what it's supposed to look like. And then you're gonna want that cool for quite a bit of time before you take it out of the mold, because it'll kind of just collapse. So don't be like, if your thing just collapses, don't be worried. So we're gonna let that cool, and then we'll unmold it, and then we'll let it cool some more. Now that you let your cake cool down, cut yourself a slice and dig in. All right, guys. I know you guys were wondering the rating for the cheesecake. It's a 10 out of 10. Thanks for tuning in, guys.